Okay, we're in Kashgar, so we're going to be showing you more of the city. This is a kind of a daytime video. Got like maybe 5 or 6 other videos as well. And it's kind of showing some of these beautiful restaurants as well. There's a lot of beautiful decor everywhere. So if you saw some of my other videos, maybe you saw some of it, but I'm going to keep kind of capturing different stuff that I notice. And we're daytime one. We're also going to try to get into the city a little bit and venture out. But stay tuned. Kashgar, China, way out in western China in Xinjiang province. I probably mispronounced that. Let's put this up on the map so you can see exactly where we are. And we're going to be walking around kind of inside and outside the old city into, you know, like the regular stuff and also the tourist area. So you get a kind of a full picture of both sides. Okay, let's get right into it. Kashgar, China. Yeah, really, really cool decor. This detail. Okay, we're gonna try to capture just little pieces of Kashgar today. But yeah, it's definitely a. I think this was kind of modeled after a town, something like 800 years or something like that. And then 2007 or 2017 it was, when they revitalized quite a bit of it. So I don't know what's real and what's not. But there's some buildings that will say that they're historical buildings, and other ones are not. But whatever it is, it's definitely beautiful, and it's definitely worth seeing. Okay, so we're gonna explore a little bit more. And the camera on. More cool stuff. Yeah, actually, some of this is I filmed in the evening yesterday. You can always see past videos of mine by going to the end of the video. We'll have some thumbnails to some past videos of Kashgar as well. Like that nice bucket up there. All of these are so beautiful if you look inside. This was photographed quite a bit. I saw quite a few people last night. All of these alleys, because actually they're kind of built for that. And then this one I believe is actually a restaurant up there. This might be a residence. Beautiful. And they got the rooms, so you can actually get a room for $288. So you can stay right here. It's called View Sonic, and that's the phone number. Huh. I think I wouldn't mind staying right here. This is actually a really great location, to be honest. It's like right around the corner. There's a lot of dancing. The Uyghur, at least for the tourists, they have a lot of dancing and things like that, which is kind of cool. Oh, this is kind of what I wanted to see yesterday. I was thinking of coming back here last night, but there's like a couple bars that are like that. They overlook, and one of them, I think it was down this way, had live music last night. Oh, here's a homestay right here. All kinds of homestays. That's the thing, is once you get to know something a little bit, check out that dock. Is that cool? Muse Cafe and Bar. But you know, you get to know something a little bit, so I'm just getting to know it on this trip. But then it makes you want to come back, because there's a lot here that once you got to know it a little bit, you'd kind of like, you know, maybe stay at one of those homestays or those hotels. Then you get to know some interesting kind of This is called the Art Restaurant, and there's a little rabbit right there. Really nice decor. Looks like you can also sit outside too. Let's go just take, I'm gonna just take a look and see. Oh, it's really beautiful. Wow. Yeah, there's so much beautiful decor. Like, check out that painting. Amazing. Yeah, it really makes me want to come back. Like, just kind of learn some stuff now, and then in the future I can come back, study it, research it more. It's really interesting. Like, even if it's not 100% authentic, it's based on it, and some of it are authentic. But what they've done with it is just made it amazing. Let me see. Oh, that's the bar I was thinking of, the one that's up there. Actually, the Old Town, there's a lot of stuff to explore, so it takes a little bit of work to get into the normal city with all the traffic and the cars. A lot of people will film me. Oh, check this out. Yeah, this was the one that I saw yesterday that I wanted to come back to. So they get some, there's music around the corner too, but this bar, there's restaurants there too. But right there's some live music that was up there. Actually, if you look at the top too, there's one way up there. It's interesting, but this one right here in the green was the one that was had some live music last night. If I was to go that area, it goes into his music with like a place where they had a lot of live music at, dancing. I didn't walk down this street. I think that was the same guy that was filming me earlier. I'm also a novelty, so this is the script. So that's the Uyghur script right there, and then of course Chinese. So much beauty in this town. Yeah, last night I saw somebody playing that instrument. It's beautiful. It sounded so cool. And this is the street that had some live music, dancing right here. Let's see. Okay. Step back a little bit. Yeah, it's actually really, check that artwork in there too. Go back this way. Cold drinks. That's really cool, this stuff too. This is some of these will actually, they kind of tell you where you are, but they also have some would say like some buildings are historic. So this is actually the ancient village of Kashi. I should really try to contrast this by coming out of the old city. So let me I also need to get something to eat. We're gonna add that on the video too. So so whatever we decide, we'll do it, and you'll see it on film too. Another cool place because I'm seeing like bookstore, Wild West. Oh, I like that theme, Wild West. Might need to check it out. But around the corner, so they have a coffee shop, and then around the corner there's more places to explore again. And I am trying to navigate so I can show you something just normal city-ish, but it's hard because there's so much cool stuff everywhere. Like all the alleys just kind of pull you down them because they're so interesting. Okay, this is perfect. So right here, you wouldn't know it right at this moment, but you'll see it in a minute. You hear the car. Oh, there's a nice park over there. But right over there is the entry point to go into the city part, outside of the ancient city. We're in the city already. So we are here, and then we step out. So this is all the ancient city, and it's pretty vast. So I've been exploring already for, I don't know, 7-8 hours, whatever, yesterday and today, and I still do not know the old city. There's a lot to it that I haven't even got to yet. Seems like to kind of get drawn into some of the same stuff that's really cool. But anyways, we're gonna get over on the other side now. So that's where we were just at, and now we're just down on the normal street. But you can still see lots of influences. Xinjiang culture is still very prominent. Hello. So a lot of people, I guess I should have said ni hao. I should learn the word for hello in the Uyghur language. A lot of Uyghurs seem really interested. They haven't really seen many people that look like me. So I've been getting a lot of looks. Most of the tourism is it's Han Chinese. Strongly, not even close. So I see very few foreigners, and then when I do see a foreigner, the first thing they say to me is like, "Wow, you're the first foreigner I've seen," or "You're the second one," or whatever. But I feel that's kind of typical in a lot of China for the places that I like to visit. Anyways, I almost never see foreigners in them, anyways. But anyways, this is a normal street, and you can feel it's more like typical China. Like this is kind of the pedestrian side. This is also pedestrian, but you can see all the bikes everywhere and the cars. And then that would be all the cars. And then this little gate, they do that throughout China just so that people don't run across the road. I haven't seen that here so much, but a lot of mainland China, you'll see that a lot, where people, sometimes they'll go across and then they'll walk following that and they go around, do all kinds of stuff. But anyways, this is what the streets look like. So when you get outside of the ancient city, it has kind of a typical China vibe, which is kind of nice too, because you do have the bike lanes, the pedestrian lanes, and the cars, and they're all kind of separated. So, okay. So now we're outside the city. I mean, we're still in the city of Kashgar, but we're outside of the ancient city of Kashi. So I guess that would be the best way to differentiate. You have the ancient city of Kashi, surrounded by Kashgar, the modern city. It's kind of cool, look at that. Nice little beautiful balcony up there. And you can see the writing too, right? So even out here, actually throughout, everywhere I was at in Urumqi and in Kashgar, we'll have a lot of the script on almost all the buildings will have the, they use the Arabic alphabet, but it's the Uyghur language. These two might be Uyghur, let me see. Yeah, those two people are speaking the Uyghur language, I believe, from what I've been able to gather from overhearing things the last few days. Another cool building. But when you first look at them, they look like they could be from France, I don't know, like anywhere, any place, anywhere. So it makes it really interesting. So those are just some normal regular apartments, and then yeah, I guess they got the gate in there too. So now you're able to Al-Mizar cake, so you can kind of see the contrast. Then that green sign right there too on the left. It's kind of what it looks, how the spelling is. Okay. And now we're really out at the like just kind of typical Chinese cities. So this is Kashgar, outside the city, ancient city of Kashi. Check out, there's like, I like how they even have that little Uyghur clothing thing on the cartoon design. And then if you can see some of the people coming at us too, you can see some of the diversity of people. That looks very Han Chinese right there. So it's kind of interesting, just the diversity. And all these trees too, those trees. I like how the city is designed. You got your bike path. Pedestrian side, I think this is kind of shared with pedestrians. And it's kind of more like a parking lot. So it's not really a good place to walk at this particular space. But to be fair, I don't think most tourists would be in this area anyways. They'd stay in the Kashgar city, Kashi. Little clothing store over there. But anyways, little slice of this for you as well. Oh, look at that. There's a little Chinatown thing over there. Looks so out of place because I'm so used to the Kashgar, Uyghur. But yeah, there's like a little China. Wow, it feels like I'm in like, not in China. But yeah, anyways, you can see that over there. I don't think I'm gonna explore it, but it's interesting anyways. I've tried to look at the people as they come across. You can see how different they are from typical Han Chinese. Okay. I guess there is a pedestrian. So this is where there's a guy riding his bike though. It's kind of confusing. So like the pedestrian ones are, sometimes they go into the bike paths, but like there's like a kind of a parking lot. So it's not so clear. It's got a great place to sit right here. Some refreshing beverages. Okay. Now we're right back into Kashi, the ancient city. So anyways, I think what we're gonna do, we'll just come up to the corner and then we're gonna end this video. But yeah, so you got to see side of the Kashi ancient village. Then you got into the Kashgar city space. These all have street names too. Jingxi Lane, Atushi Lane, etc. And that note, we're gonna end it for another slice of Kashgar.